What's the meaning of bird flu? Bird flu. Bird flu.
Bird flu. Bird flu. Bird flu, also known as avian influenza, is a viral infection that primarily affects birds. The virus typically spreads among birds through their secretions, such as saliva, nasal discharge, and feces. In rare cases, the virus can also infect humans, leading to severe respiratory illness or even death. The majority of human cases are linked to exposure to infected birds or their contaminated environments, such as live bird markets. Symptoms include fever, sore throat, cough, and muscle aches. It's important to take precautions, such as avoiding contact with sick birds, properly handling and cooking poultry, and practicing good hygiene, to prevent the spread of bird flu.